Dr. Urvashi Mittal, a remarkable individual whose tireless dedication and profound impact have touched countless lives. Her unwavering commitment to social justice and community empowerment stands as a shining example of the power of compassion and action. For the current year 23-24, as District Chairman, she has focused on EEE, Education, Environment and Empowerment, taking saving environment in a big way, mainly through RRR, Reduce, Reuse, Recycle, and has achieved many firsts. For the very first time, 2 world records through World Records India have been made. Formation of the largest IW logo using colored caps. Making of 109 millet dishes using 9 seeds of millets. 8 new clubs were introduced at the District Assembly. A total of 13 new clubs introduced and 3 revived. Inner Wheel has become an actual brand. A food grade certificate, FSSAI, has been obtained. 3 MOUs were signed with Bottles for Change, an initiative by Bisleri to convert waste, used polythene, plastic waste into benches from recycled plastic or polythene. Namo E-Waste, to collect e-waste separately and prevent it from being mixed with other waste. We plant to create, grow, Inner Wheel, nutritious forest from seeds of used, eaten fruits to provide no-cost nutrition to malnourished, undernourished women and women from EWS. Saris made from water hyacinth were showcased and training was given to make saris and other items from water hyacinth.
दिल्ली के गांव में इनर व्हील की डिस्ट्रिक्ट 301 ने जलकुंभी से साड़ी और कागज बनाने की ट्रेनिंग शुरू की है। दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी स्वैच्छिक महिला संगठन है इनर व्हील।
District executives, PDCs and many others inside and outside Inner Wheel were gifted steel flasks with an emphasis on carrying these everywhere to reduce production and consumption of plastic bottles. 2 records have been made for this initiative. Inner Wheel Vintage Shop, Vintage Tailor have been inaugurated to resell clothes and reduce textile waste. Tulsi Divas was celebrated at a large scale in her tenure.
इनर व्हील के सदस्यों और नव वर्ष में विकास और सामाजिक कार्यों को बढ़ाने का प्रण दिल्ली में सभी सदस्यों ने नए साल पर भारत की विकास रथ को तेजी से आगे बढ़ाने की कामना की।
She led the district delegation to Vrindavan for Chunari Manorath and to Ayodhya for Ramlala Darshan.
श्रद्धालुओं के साथ ही कारोबार जगत और सामाजिक संस्थाओं से जुड़ने से अयोध्या में बढ़ रहा है धार्मिक टूरिज्म। इनर व्हील डिस्ट्रिक्ट 301 के सभी मेंबर्स ने किए रामलला के दर्शन।
She received many acknowledgement, appreciation and gratitude letters. Almost 41 district joint projects have been completed during her year as district chairman. She also received numerous awards during the centennial celebrations, Euphoria, including winners in all categories, Centennial Milestone Award, Distinction for Digital Exhibition, Distinguished Service Award, Pioneer Project, etc. She attended NW and SE zonal meets this year. Hosted centenary celebrations Euphoria along with 3 co-hosts envisioned by AP Preeti Gugnani and also attended convention and installation of AP 24-25.
Dear Association President Preeti Gugnani, District Chairman Dr. Urvashi Mittal, heartiest congratulations to Inner Wheel on reaching the remarkable milestone of a centennial celebration. Wishing you joyous and unforgettable euphoria in Delhi on 10th, 11th and 12th of January.
On a personal front, she received the Atal Samman Best Women Social Icon by the Times Group, Flask Lady recognition by the media, was a TEDx speaker and received the Woman Icon Global Award, International Women's Gloria Award, and was covered by the English magazine Yugdhara.
फ्लास्क लेडी के नाम से मशहूर सामाजिक कार्यकर्ता डॉक्टर उर्वशी मित्तल आज कान्हा की नगरी मथुरा पहुंची हैं। इस दौरान डॉक्टर उर्वशी मित्तल ने एक और जहां प्लास्टिक के इस्तेमाल पर लगाम लगाने के लिए आयोजित कार्यक्रम में सैकड़ों लोगों को शपथ दिलवाई है, तो वहीं मोदी योगी मॉडल की भी जमकर तारीफ की है।
डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन उर्वशी मित्तल को बेस्ट वुमेन सोशल आइकन ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड से किया गया सम्मानित। बीजेपी नेता मनिंदरजीत सिंह सिरसा और एक्ट्रेस जैक फर्नांडिस ने किया सम्मान।
देश के विकास को बढ़ाने के लिए प्रदूषण की रोकथाम और प्लास्टिक की रिसाइकलिंग पर एक्सपर्ट का जोर, पर्यावरण और धरती को बचाने के लिए किरण बेदी और उर्वशी मित्तल ने की अपील।
कल उज्ज्वला शिखर सम्मान से इनरव्हील के डिस्ट्रिक्ट चेयरमैन डॉक्टर उर्वशी मित्तल सम्मानित। समाज सेवा के क्षेत्र में बेहतरीन काम करने के लिए केंद्रीय मंत्री मीनाक्षी लेखी ने डॉक्टर उर्वशी को सम्मानित किया।
Having led a remarkably fulfilling tenure as district chairman, heartiest congratulations and best wishes to her for her next assignment as Association Secretary 2024-25.